One of the largest number of combat aircraft made, more than 33,000, the Messerschmitt Bf 109, is one of the best-known German fighters of World War II. Conceived as an interceptor, it was later used in numerous other roles: fighter bomber, night fighter, reconnaissance fighter. The first flight took place in May 1935. From the experience of the Bf 108, the Bf 109 was also built without frames, with load-bearing shells that allowed easy and continuous improvements and quick repairs. Built in only 4,500 hours, strong and light, it was made competitive until 1942. Allied fighters greatly exceeded the Bf 109's performance only in 1943. The narrow, D-shaped wing profile made it strong and fast, but with low lift that would make it unstable at low speeds and in aerobatic maneuvers. Messerschmitt's designer brilliantly solved the problem by equipping the wing with high-lift devices that dynamically changed the wing surface, improving lift at low speeds. He also added spin-type flaps, which were very prominent and wide and improved the aircraft's maneuverability and agility. One of the serious drawbacks of the Bf 109 was the very narrow undercarriage track, which made the plane unstable. It swerved conspicuously on takeoff and landing. The tail rudder could not compensate well for the powerful air displacement of the propeller. The problem caused numerous fatal accidents for pilots. It was partly solved with the Model G, thanks to an automatic propeller speed control system. The armored canopy had poor visibility, especially to the rear. It lacked the rear view mirrors always present instead in American and British fighters. The right hinged canopy opening was the cause of many accidents, as it made it difficult for pilots to leave the aircraft in an emergency. The Bf 109's instrumentation was relatively poor, e.g. the turning horizon, without which it was difficult to fly in poor visibility conditions, was installed only from the Bf 109 G5 onward. The Bf 109's engine, the DB 601, was the highest performance engine available in Germany in 1939. It had a mechanical pump injection system that maintained a constant fuel flow even in the event of a dive or inverted flight, e.g., looping, allowing German pilots to break off combat at will and dive faster than aircraft with conventional carbureted engines. A significant advantage over the Spitfire's British Rolls-Royce Merlin engine, for which such maneuvers had to be done very carefully so as not to cause the engine to shut down. The F variant, with a 1350 HP Daimler-Benz DB 601E engine, had a top speed of 670 km per hour at 6,300 meters altitude. The power plant was easily detachable and replaceable, but complex in maintenance. It underwent many armament changes to increase firepower. Initially it was armed only with two 7.92 MG-17 machine guns. The F version, on the other hand, had a pair of MG 151 20th 20mm guns installed under the wings and a 20mm cannon firing through the propeller shaft. The Bf 109 was used by the air forces of Finland, Hungary, Romania and Croatia. After World War II it continued to be built, in Czechoslovakia under the name Avia S-99.